The e-learning format offers students great flexibility. Students can take the courses when and where they like at their own pace. There are a lot of advantages in online teaching as well as challenges too. Let's discuss the challenges and solutions.
A teacher is teaching in a regular classroom. When teaching is going on, teacher can look at the faces of each and every child. They can ensure so many things like the mood of the children, whether they are following what the teacher is teaching or not, whether they feel boring. So many things they can ensure. An experienced teacher, even they can understand whether the children understand what they are teaching or not. All these things may not be possible in online teaching. Looking at the faces of all the children in one screen, that may not be enough for a teacher to understand the face expression of the child. And children also, they have so many expectations when they attend the session online. But when the session gets over, both the teacher and the students, they may leave the session with some kind of disappointments.
Solution 1. School must set a policy regarding online session. It should include the total hours of online session in a day, subject wise, and the total hours of online sessions per week for each class. It is very important to finalize the duration for each session. The expected way of teaching and the expected student behavior while attending the session online must be communicated clearly to both teachers and students respectively by the school. Both the teachers and students should not feel that they are overloaded with online sessions. Teacher could collect the expectations of students before starting the online session and also must communicate the expected behaviors of students while attending the online session. Feedback must be collected from teachers and students at the end of every session, and school policy regarding online session must be reviewed if required.
Challenge number two in online teaching, task management. Tasks are numerous in online teaching. A teacher must prepare lesson plan, topic plan, activities, worksheets, PPT, so many other resources they have to prepare, and they have to keep all those things in their mind. They should not miss anything. Without forgetting, they have to prepare all the resources. And all the teachers are giving assignments and other work to the students. And the students also may forget to complete their task on time, because in a regular classroom setup, the teachers will be meeting the students regularly. And if the students forget to complete anything, the teacher will talk to the child and they will remind them. But here in online teaching, they will just send a message. So students also may forget some of the assignments that they need to complete. So how to face this particular challenge? Here is the solution.
Solutions for task management. There are three different reasons for not completing the task on time. I am capable of completing the task, but I forget the schedule. To overcome this issue, Google Calendar could be used by the teachers and students. How to use Google Calendar effectively to manage your tasks is explained in detail in video 4 of this playlist. That may be one of the best solutions for this kind of challenge. Watch that video. The next reason for not completing the task on time is inefficiency. If you lack some technical skills, better take some effort to master those skills. List out the skills you like to improve and master the skills one at a time. The third reason for not completing the task on time, I need more information. Because of this, I am not able to complete my presentation on time. What you can do is, you can use the search engine effectively to collect the required information. Google is a search engine. That's okay, but I don't know what does it mean, a search engine. What to do? It's very simple. You can open a browser of your choice. And I like to know whether Google is the only search engine or is there any other search engines. Don't worry, just type search engine, and here you will get the details. What are the various search engines available? So press right click, open it in a new tab. You will get information. What are the other search engines available online? So Bing, Yandex. It will show you various search engines. So once again you right click this, say like Google. This one is also a search engine. Here also you can type, for example, I like to collect information about global warming, and you type global warming in Yandex search engine as well as in Google. So here also it will suggest you some of the websites. Open those websites in a new tab, and in Google also you can find some suggestions. You open the website which you feel that it is you like to visit. So everything will get you the details about global warming. Whatever the information you feel like collecting, you can collect the required information from these kind of websites. So this will reduce your time and it will make your presentation so effective. All right, I need some videos. Okay, you can go to YouTube, type global warming here and search. Once you click search here, you will get a lot of videos, and you can watch all the videos one by one, and which video you find it is relevant to the topic you teach, choose that video, and this can be shared in your presentation. So this way you can collect resources from online and make your presentation so lively.
The third challenge in an online teaching setup is the description given by the teacher for an assignment. It is not enough for the students. In a regular classroom setup, if an assignment is given to the students, students will have an opportunity to clarify their doubts. If they have any doubts regarding the assignment, they can directly clarify it with the teacher. But in an online setup, if the description, the guideline given by the teacher is not enough for the students to understand how to proceed with the assignment, in the sense they may not be able to complete it on time. What the teacher is expecting the students to present in the assignment, it should be clearly indicated in the guidelines. The total number of pages, what should be the total number of pages of that particular assignment? Because there are some students, they will simply copy paste lot of information from website, and the teacher will find very difficult to correct those things. It will consume lot of time. The next thing, what are the subtopics must be included in the assignment? And another thing is, the teacher must give the rubrics or how they are going to evaluate the assignment. That kind of information must be shared with the students. So if the students get to know how the teacher is going to assess this particular assignment, then definitely they will be able to present it in a better way. And finally, the deadline must be clearly indicated in the assignment. So once the students submit the assignment, immediately the teacher must correct it and give the feedback to all the students immediately. This will be a motivation for the students. And schools, they can maintain an assignment tracker, class wise and subject wise. So these kind of activities will definitely help you to face this particular challenge. We have discussed some of the issues in online teaching and their solutions in this video. There are so many other issues. For example, the teacher and student they feel isolated in an online teaching setup. This is an issue. Like this, there are so many other issues. We will discuss about all those issues and their solutions in the next video. Have a nice day.